As I said, I was very, very impressed.
Okay.
The fact that you spoke English was even better. Yeah. They pretty much had it. I didn't have any on the bottom and I couldn't wear the plate that I had because they just added a tooth, but it changed the whole shape of the bottom, and the 4 up the top that was still there were really bad, and I had some that were broken away, and yeah, so they were pretty crook. It's about 6 or 7 grand to have one implant in Australia. So yeah, I decided to come over here. I just started to look at the dentists, and I was very impressed with the whole system, your reception room, yeah. As I said, I was very, very impressed. Even your advertisements, the way it went through, you spoke to different people, or not, I didn't, but they spoke to me, telling me what they could do. The fact that you spoke English was even better, yeah. As in, I carry lithium batteries, so they had to come on board with me. The first time I didn't have a wheelchair, this time I did because I can't walk far. The people, yeah, I love them. I love you guys. You're all amazing. To be honest, probably last week when the bottom teeth got stuck, they had to take all of that away so they could get them back out. No, I didn't find anything really uncomfortable, even when he was doing the drilling for the implants. It was, yeah, you're amazing. Being able to eat now, I hope. I've actually got 2 ladies that are very interested when I get home to find out more about it so they can come over. One's really anxious. She really definitely wants to come. No, one of them is my daughter's receptionist at her allergy doctor or allergy specialist. Yeah, she's really keen, and Michelle would love to come too.